How to delete block contact on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete block contact on WhatsApp. In order to delete the block contact on WhatsApp, you'll have to first check your internet connection, open up your WhatsApp application and log in into your account. Once logged in, tap the three dot icon, go to settings, and from here click the accounts button. As soon as you do that, and from here you'll need to go to privacy. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface. You'll have to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to block contact. The only way to delete the block contact on WhatsApp is by unblocking them. Otherwise, there's no such alternative to delete the block contact on WhatsApp. So what you'll have to do is basically you'll have to long press on the following username and then click the unblock button. Following users will be unblocked as well as deleted from your WhatsApp history. On WhatsApp, that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.